Does PlantUML integrate with other tools or IDEs? If you are curious about whether PlantUML integrates with other tools or integrated development environments, you are in for some interesting information. PlantUML is quite flexible and works well with many different applications, making it a great choice for students and professionals alike. At its core, PlantUML can operate as a standalone tool. You can create UML diagrams from plain text descriptions without needing any additional software. However, its real strength lies in its ability to integrate with various tools and integrated development environments. This feature is especially useful for those who want to incorporate visual modeling directly into their study or development processes. For instance, if you use IntelliJ IDEA, there is a dedicated plugin for PlantUML. This plugin allows you to create and visualize UML diagrams like class and sequence diagrams right within the IDE. Installation is easy through the plugin marketplace, and once it is set up, your diagrams will update automatically as you write the PlantUML text code. Eclipse users can also benefit from a PlantUML plugin that integrates UML diagram rendering directly into the IDE. This is particularly handy for Java developers who want to document or design their code visually. NetBeans offers similar support through plugins, allowing you to generate diagrams while working in this environment. If you prefer a lightweight editor, Visual Studio Code has PlantUML extensions that enable diagram preview and export features, making it very convenient. You can also find PlantUML plugins for various text editors like Notepad, Sublime Text, Atom, Gedit, and Emacs. This means you can generate diagrams from textual UML descriptions no matter which editor you prefer. If you are working with documents, PlantUML can be integrated with Microsoft Word and OpenOffice. You can use macros or plugins to convert PlantUML text into graphical UML diagrams within your documents. Moreover, PlantUML can be embedded in wikis, markdown files, and documentation generators like mkdocs. It even supports rendering diagrams on the fly via web services, which is useful for web pages or collaborative platforms like GitLab and GitHub. For those who are into programming, PlantUML can be called from languages like Java and Python. This allows you to automate diagram generation as part of your build or documentation processes. From a study hacks perspective, these integrations mean you can easily combine UML diagramming with your coding, note-taking, or documentation tasks. For example, when studying software design, you can write UML diagrams alongside your code in IntelliJ or Visual Studio Code. This makes it easier to grasp and remember system structures. In documentation or wikis, embedding live UML diagrams keeps your study materials clear and visually organized, which can help with comprehension and retention. Overall, PlantUML's broad integration support helps students and developers maintain an efficient workflow by embedding diagram creation directly into the tools they already use. This reduces the need to switch between different applications, making study or project work more productive.